my name is Andi Bühler. This is the DrumCode Flams. Today we start with a joke. A drummer and a bass player played together their whole life in the same band, but they never managed to play one note at the same time. Never. So after years of playing and trying, they were totally frustrated and they decided to commit suicide. So they went up on the highest building in the city and the drummer counted in 1, 2, 3, 4. They jumped. And how did it sound? So that's the flam. That's what we want to practice today. The flam, 2 strokes, not at the same time. So we have 3 exercises before we go to the reading book. 3 exercises to get a hint what a flam means. So first thing is we choose a main hand. This is actually an exercise you can do in front of the computer. You don't need a rehearsal room. You choose a main hand, a main stroke. For example, the right hand. So the left hand plays the flam, which comes slightly before the right hand. And you can see it's on a different level. It's not that high, the left hand. And for the beginners, we start with a big space between these 2 hits. Then we get closer. And then we raise the tempo. So stop the video and try this for yourself. So back again. Next thing, main stroke is in the left hand and the flam is in the right hand. Always work with weight. The weight of your hands and your arms. Get them closer, the 2 strokes. And raise the tempo. Stop the video and try it out. So, exercise 2. We are playing actually single stroke flams. That means we play the main hand 1 time with the right and 1 time with the left hand. So without the flams, it sounds like this. For every main stroke, there is a flam. So actually what you're doing is you're playing a downstroke and then you're playing an upstroke as a flam for the next hand. Look at this. So we're doing this exercise. Downstroke, upstroke at the same time, starting with both hands at the same time. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And now, doing it the opposite way, if the left hand does the upstroke when you play the downstroke with the right hand. So you start like this. And always if you play the the upstroke, it comes slightly before the other hand. So now here you have the constant flams, always changing the hands. Raise the tempo. And stop the video, try it out for yourself for a few minutes. So, back again, exercise 3. We're playing Flam accents, and that means we are playing the Flam, and in between before we play the next Flam stroke, we play 2 tips. So it's actually it's actually 3 strokes. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Flam, 2, 3, flam, 2, 3. Without the flams, it sounds like this. We only play the first note of 3 as an accent. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you just play in accents, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, and now we are adding the flam to the accent. It's the same sticking, it's the same hands playing the accents like before. It's right, left, right, left. Doing really slow. We play it together now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you raise the tempo on your own, stop the video and try this out. Always stay loose, don't kill your legs. I mean, it hurts anyway, but yeah, be nice to yourself. Doing the same stuff with the sticks. So just to see, the first thing was flams with one hand, also main stroke, and the other hand plays the flam. You can do it on a high level or on a lower level. The relation between the 2 sticks is always the same. So one stick is is closer to the head than the other one. Opposite side, left hand. Single flams, single stroke flams. Actually, downstroke, upstroke. Try to stay really loose with your hands. so you can feel the rebound of the head. Accents, Flam accents with a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, ensure you don't need to be finished with these exercises before you go to the reading book, because the reading book is here for you. We use the reading book to play a lot of different possibilities and to get used slowly to all these techniques. So don't, what I'm saying, get used to it slowly. Play a whole page, take the time, and then play something different. After the session, you go home, and the next session you will be at your rehearsal room. It will be there. It will be better, and it will develop. It takes some time, but 1 week should do the trick, that you at least feel comfortable with all these flams. I mean, the tempo and the speed, that's something different. That comes with time. Okay, let's hear 16 combinations. The black spot implies the flame, and the white spot implies no flame and no accent. So, playing you every line 2 times. Chocolada, 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 chocolada. Ensure, use a metronome or use the kick to give you the pulse. All right, so choose any page in the reading book. You will get there. So, and if you go to the 3-spot section, it's the same. You just play not the chocolada, you play the Panama. The first number of the 8 combination is actually our flam accents. It's flam 2, 3, flam 2, 3. Okay, I'm playing you a bit from the 8 combinations with a bass drum. All right, have fun with the accents. That's the thing. We need to develop our technique for that stuff. It's something that really feels good if you play it in the solo or if you play the classical drums. All right, see you soon. Bye.